Okay, first of all, what we have been able to do recently, one major thing which is happening is a 100-bedded boys hostel. The construction has started. CPWD is doing the construction. Another 100-bedded girls hostel has been approved. The money also has been given by the ministry. So very soon the order will go to CPWD, they will start the construction. There is approval for central laboratory for 4 science-based departments: Physics, Life Science, Geography and Anthropology. And there would be vertical extension of the 2 existing science buildings, Physics and Life Science. Apart from that, what we have done recently, we have a very deep borewell, and that would give us a lot of water. So it is already in position. We are very proud of it, proud of our engineer. We have created a lot of very good water sources. So water problem till now is almost solved. Apart from that, we have extended the canteen. I am sure you might have seen that the canteen previously has been extended, so a lot of students can sit there comfortably. Another grant has come, that is under Swacch Bharat. One 10 lakh rupees very good bathroom is to be constructed. So that is under Swacch Bharat scheme. So we shall have to see where we shall place it, and it will start very soon. It has to start very soon. It has to start by within September, October it has to start. Apart from these things, has any major development been done? One thing, we have upgraded the library. I am very proud of the library. So if you go to the library, you will see that a lot of seating arrangement has been done in the front side. And inside, the first time, even Silchar doesn't have it, the inner stacks, you remember the inner stacks? Inner stack. It has been air conditioned. So during the tremendous heat of summer, Diphu has that hot summer. Now students can sit, teachers also can sit in a very nice, cool atmosphere. The big thing that we have tried, I spent how much time? Around 6-7 months running to Shillong so many times. We have created a proposal for, you have seen this map, proposal for 8 academic buildings, 1 convention center, and teaching and non-teaching residential quarters. So all this is going to cost around 123 crores. This proposal has been created by CPWD. So we have submitted to the Vice Chancellor, and Honorable Vice Chancellor will process it. And when it finally reaches UGC, then MHRD, then there are different, HEFA will give us the money ultimately. So we shall see how much money we get and what we can do. But we are very hopeful that this will come through.